It's business as usual in occupied territories, and it's legal, according to a new study by an Israel-based think tank. In light of a recent Airbnb policy change and a UN Human Rights Council blacklist, the Kohelet Policy Forum has released a 100-page report detailing multinational business activity in occupied territories across the globe. The report lists 37 companies working in disputed regions outside of Israel, such as the Western Sahara, Cyprus and Tibet. It was released after Airbnb decided to remove listings located in Jewish communities in the West Bank, and ahead of the publication of a United Nations blacklist of hundreds of companies working in areas Israel acquired during the 1967 war, commonly referred to as settlements.
What international law says is doing business in a place is totally separate from political issues there. And regardless of the political dispute about a territory, that does not mean it's off limits to international business. That's why all these companies are doing business there. It's not that they got bad legal advice.
Shell, BNP Paribas, and Caterpillar. These corporations and many more do business in occupied territories with little to no outside pressure from human rights groups.
What the report shows is that the UN Human Rights Council's blacklisting of companies for doing business with Israeli companies in Judea and Samaria is clearly bigoted and biased. It's not just a double standard, it's a fake standard. Doing business in territories, even that are considered under military occupation, is completely legal.
At an event for the report's release, a top Israeli official warned of escalating problems if current boycott efforts succeed.
It moves from being a labeling of Jewish products from Judea and Samaria to a blacklisting of Jewish products to Judea and Samaria to explicit boycott by Airbnb is an ineluctable process. And the next step, I guarantee you, will be the labeling, blacklisting, and boycott of all Israeli products.
Oren is pushing the U.S. Congress to outlaw all anti-Israel boycotts.
We want to update this legislation to apply to efforts to boycott Jewish businesses in Judea and Samaria, to academic boycotts, to the whole area of trying to single out Israel and to pursue what I strongly regard and deeply regard as an anti-Semitic policy.
The report concludes by saying that all military occupations should be examined fairly, and that the UN should delay the publication of its blacklist targeting Israel indefinitely. From Jerusalem, Maya Margit reporting for the Media Line.